Hello friends, sorry for starting this video in the middle. If you have any error of the 7 plus flashing or restore, it's stuck and give you some errors during the process of restore. This error usually caused by the camera, this front camera, you just need to unplug it, then you continue with the restore. The error usually caused by the front camera. Just unplug it, then the restore will be successfully begin. Thank you guys, like this video and let's watch another video.